is Raheem Johnson. This is how you heat up a cheeseburger for 3 days.
Okay, he's gonna do that right now. Okay, hold on. So first,
Somebody stole the cheeseburger, guys.
no, it's right in
We
here.
have it right here. It's called Wendy's. You have to get the name brand Wendy's. Okay?
What kind of burger is that?
Excuse me for 1 minute. The burger makes me sneeze. Now, as you see, guys, you gotta unwrap the wrapper. What you call here is a double cheeseburger without the onions.
Double stack.
Double stacker. Yes.
From which?
So you put the thing like this, you unwrap it, you put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And you shut it like this, and you want to add your stuff on start for 2 minutes. And there you go, you have yourself a heating up burger, guys. It's so nice. So now we're gonna wait until the thing goes ding ding. Yes.
Look at this
there,
heaven.
sir. That is my girl, baby. Is heaven. She's so excited.
Yeah, yeah. We watching something Martin on BET, and then we watching some bizarre vlog in my room, and then this little baby laying on her panda, and she be laying on that with her pacifier. She don't sacrifice. So yeah.
Yeah. So you don't want the burger so hot, so we might just take it out.
Then you're gonna have to touch it if you want it. If it's cold or not. Yeah, it's fine.
Excuse me, this is my show. Don't you got your cereal over there? Thank you. Then you guys would have to see is the side. Oh my God, guys, it looks so nice and cheesy. And then you just see everything's okay.
Flip it over.
Flip it. After you eat this, guys, you might have to use the bathroom. It's so great. Oh my God! This is how you blow it off the car after it drops off the floor. Thank you. And you shut it like that. And this is how you just make a Wendy's burger. Thank you, guys. See you later.
And don't forget to give him a thumbs up and subscribe for his